Brian, it's expected this case will go to the jury tomorrow. How long do you think they're going to deliberate for? Is this going to be a boom, walk in the door, pick a four-person, and who does everybody think he's guilty kind of scenario?
So what I tell my clients now, and what I used to tell my victims when I was a prosecutor was, we don't want serious cases to be a quick in and out jury verdict. We want them to take their time, because if they're following what me as the attorney is telling them, they need to work through the progressions. This is the motive, this is the evidence, this is what the law is, and that takes time. So how quick the verdict is less important than what are the jury notes that they're sending out. Are they following the guideline that either the prosecutor put forward during their summation or the defense attorney put during their summation? Because if they're following that guideline, ultimately they should get to the same conclusion that you did as the attorney.
Annie, any chance this guy takes the stand?
I don't know. I'm torn. On one side, I don't think he's going to. I think he's just going to stay put and let his defense attorney argue in closing argument. But on the other hand, there's a part of me that thinks that he might. Because remember, Ted, he wanted the death penalty to be on the table. He wanted certain evidence to be shown to the jury. When he was looking at the exhibits, it's almost as if he was looking at the work and looking at what was done. And again, there was no sense of devastation or remorse. So I'm not sure. There might be a chance that he testifies and maybe the defense attorney won't be able to control that, and maybe he decides to take the stand and tell his story.
We'll have to wait and see. That will take place tomorrow. Our coverage starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. You can watch it live, take place there in Tennessee. We're going to step aside and take a break.